I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you have admin rights and a full backup of the USB so nothing is lost. Next, unlock the Pendrive. Enter the Bitlocker password or paste the 48-digit recovery key when prompted, and note the drive letter like E. Once unlocked, open Control Panel Bitlocker Drive Encryption or right-click the drive in File Explorer to reveal Bitlocker options. Make sure the device is stable and not removed. Now you're ready to remove Bitlocker encryption. You can remove Bitlocker by selecting Turn off Bitlocker in Control Panel for the unlocked USB. That starts decryption immediately so files remain accessible. Alternatively, open an elevated command prompt and run Manage BDE off E. Replace E with your drive letter to begin. Decryption runs in the background. Monitor with Manage BDE status E or the Bitlocker UI to see % complete. Make sure your computer stays powered and the USB stays connected until once decryption completes, verify with Manage BDE status E or check Bitlocker UI. You should see protection off and % encrypted at 0. If you want to remove all traces, format the USB and then restore your files from the backup. Also, make sure to delete the recovery key from your Microsoft account if it's no longer needed. If something goes wrong, decryption stalls or errors occur, unlock with the recovery key. Run chkdsk on the drive, then rerun Manage BDE off to retry decryption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.